Okay guys, so now we're going to take a look at the bags, the contents of the bags that you guys should have gotten out for this particular lesson. Our mineral testing supply bag. So I'm going to let my wonderful volunteers here open up that bag, and they're going to describe to me the stuff that they see.
An eyedropper.
An eyedropper is exactly incorrect. The reason that is incorrect is because this is not for your eyes. On the back of this bag, there is a warning label. This warning label describes what is in this eyedropper. What's in this dropper is hydrochloric acid, a very dilute concentration of hydrochloric acid. It's about 10%. Nevertheless, it is acid. It won't hurt you if you get it on your hands. Just wash your hands, wipe it off. It will stain your clothes, but don't do anything dumb with it. Don't drop acid. Don't put it in your eye. It will burn very soft tissue, so just be responsible with it and use it as directed. We do use this to test for minerals. So this is a very important tool that geologists use to identify different types of minerals, and it's something good to have around. So again, just make sure that no pets or no children get a hold of it, and if something does happen with it, just wash it out gently. And from here, we're going to move on to the next video and describe the rest of the contents of our mineral testing bag.